Hey chefs and chefettes, we are back with another video, baby. Guys, if you're here, you probably just bought yourself a Charbroil offset smoker, or you're thinking about it.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
I think you made the right choice if you purchased it, because we purchased it, guys. We got ours on Amazon for about $130.
What?
And I think that's an awesome price. Awesome price for a beginner smoker, right? Guys, you see we outside, right?
We outside!
We outside. All right, guys, so I want to talk a little about this smoker and give you guys some tips. All right, so y'all ready? Make sure y'all hit that like button, make sure y'all comment, and make sure you guys subscribe. Guys, so here's a look at our smoker. Look at it, look at it. It's a little greasy because I washed it and I seasoned it because it's a smoker. You know, the foods, the meats, it absorbs the flavor. So you gotta season or grease your smoker. So that's the first thing we did off the bat, guys. All right, so now let me show you this. This is the left side. This is where you're gonna put your charcoal and your wood chunks. This is called the offset compartment. All right, take a look in there. Take a look in there. So you can see what I did with ours was I lined it with foil. So when the ashes disintegrate, when the charcoals disintegrate, it's easier to clean up. Now take a look at this side. This is the cooking compartment. This is where you're gonna put your meat when you're smoking it. I put foil in there too. So when all that grease and pieces of food fall, easy to clean up. Guys, inside I also put a tray. And in this tray, you're gonna add your water. That's what you use to keep your meats from drying out. You fill that up with your water. You could put a little seasoning, but that's my secret. Put a little seasoning in that water. In that tray at the bottom, put a little seasoning in there. So when it starts to steam, the moisture goes into your meats, and then with the seasoning in the water, it's gonna add more flavor to your meat. Guys, trust me.
Okay.
Yo, if you ain't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. Guys, what's next? What's next? You can see it got two handles on there. You got a handle here to open this compartment, you got a handle here to open that compartment, and you got a handle on the far left. So when you pick it up, you can roll it on the two wheels it has. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, did I tell you it was $130 on Amazon?
Shut your stupid ass up.
Man, that's a steal. Guys, we about to learn to smoke together. Ready? Go light your smoker. Come on. What's next? Guys, on top it has a thermostat or thermometer. Guys, you need that because when you're smoking, you gotta get your cooking compartment up to a certain temperature. You don't want to throw your meat in there and that thing raw. You pull it out, it's pale.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
And I hope y'all season your meat and wash it too. But guys, you got a thermometer there because depending on what meat you're cooking, you got to get that compartment up to a certain temperature. Oh, did I forget, guys, when you're smoking, you really don't want to go by time frame when you're smoking your meat. No, no, no. Every single meat has a desired cooking temperature. You're gonna need a thermometer. Guys, look what I picked up. I picked this up from Target for $15. It has a thermometer and it has all the grilling utensils, skewers, brush, thongs. It has all of that in there for $15. It might have been a sale at Target, so run and get one. And before you run, hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, what else? Let me see. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Take a look at the back of it. Like I said, it's oily because I seasoned mine. All right, so I showed you guys the inside of the smoker. See how the foil's nice, lined up evenly. Looks good. Oh, I forgot. Guys, so on the left side of the offset side where you put the charcoal, there is an air vent. This is how you're going to control the heat. You want to open it if you want a higher temperature. You want to close it if you want a lower temperature. Look at the top. That's the chimney. That's where you can control how much smoke you want in your meat. It's pretty simple. But like I said, we're learning together. So hit that subscribe button and we're going to do this together. I don't think I got anything else to say. Did I forget something?
No, 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 no. Oh, no. No, 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 no.
Let me show y'all this smoker one more time. Looks good. I think you should purchase it. I definitely think you should purchase it. Alright guys, so now it's time to light your smoker. We put our charcoals inside the offset barrel. We lit them and now we wait. Remember, don't close that lid on that left side until the flames have died down. Alright, once the flames are died down, we're gonna add our flavored wood chunks, and we're gonna wait for the grill to get to our desired temperature. Remember, you need to get your grill to a desired temperature before you place your meat. Once we're at that temperature, then we're gonna place our meat over this pan of water with our favorite seasonings. Looks good. I think you should purchase it. I definitely think you should purchase it. That's it. Guys, I got a recipe coming out. I got a smoker recipe coming out. And if you want to see it, make sure you tuned in. And I'll see you when I do that recipe. And that's it, guys. And we are out.